right, you're Christopher Bushnell?
Yes.
And so Mr. Bushnell has two cases.
Alright, pay attention. This is one of those hearings where the judge already gave the defendant a chance, and now we're about to see if he completely fumbled it. Spoiler alert, the tone here. Not promising.
And evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle and engaging in organized criminal activity, and cause numbers 25-0112 and 0113. There was previously an agreement motion, and a plea agreement for 10-year deferred probation. We were here because of the issues.
Quick breakdown. A deferred probation deal is basically the court saying, stay out of trouble, and we won't lock you up. But here's the twist, the judge already rejected that deal. That's rare, and it usually means something went very wrong behind the scenes.
In the jail, I rejected that because if I were going to go along with that, I was going to order the ISF. And so we're back here. And then, so let me ask you, I should tell you what's bad is when I remember stuff, Mr. Bushnell. Your birthday's in October, right? No, December. So, so we're getting close, but here's the problem, Mr. Bushnell. So you were here May 6th, right? And I didn't accept these plea agreements, and I got pretty upset with you because of what had been going on in jail, right? And what did I tell you? You know how many write-ups you've gotten since May 6th? You want to take a guess? Too many to count. Too many to count. May 6th, you got, since then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Did you catch that? 11 write-ups. 11. After the judge explicitly told him to behave for just 1 month. This isn't just bad luck, this is a pattern. And in court, patterns speak louder than promises.
And 11. 11 more. Fighting, same things. Fighting, not following the rules, calling names. I mean, same thing. You don't like following rules, do you?
I do.
You do? What part of calling a correctional officer the names that you've been calling is appropriate? It's not. So why would you keep doing it after I told you? I told you, go just be good for a month. 1 month, be good, follow the rules. And it's one thing if you've got another inmate running up on you fighting and that was your excuse. But it's not. I'm not accepting any plea agreements. If the jury wants to see all this.
And there it is, the moment everything collapses. The judge is basically saying, I tried to help you, you didn't take it seriously, so now a jury can deal with you. Translation. The easy way out is officially gone.
And give you probation after that, that's going to be up to them. I'm not doing it. Go back with the bailiff, we'll set your case for, well, let me do this. Ms. Holmes has been appointed as your attorney, and she's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release her and appoint a new attorney who can begin preparation for trial. Do you want me to do that? Or do you want to keep Ms. Holmes? All right, Ms. Holmes, get ready for trial. And let me tell you what you're doing. You're making her job hard. She's trying to help you. I wanted to try to help you. If you came in today and didn't have all this nonsense, I'm looking at it over and over, calling them the B word. not doing what you're supposed to, saying, I don't care, write me up, I don't care. If you don't care, then I don't care. Because I tried last time when we had this conversation. So your case is going on the trial docket, and again, we'll let a jury decide what to do with you. Go back with the bailiff. Good morning. Are you Marissa Tibbetts? And
And just like that, we pivot to a completely different case. But don't relax yet. This one involves aggravated robbery and probation violations. Different defendant, same high stakes.
Client waive the formal reading of the motion in each of her cases?
She would, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Tibbetts, in cause number 1828, well, before we do that, raise your right hand the best you can, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. You can put your hand down. And Ms. Tibbetts, excuse me, I have in cause number 1828754, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation October 29th of 2018 for the offense of aggravated robbery, a first-degree felony, and that was a 10-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And then in cause number 1828753, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. It shows you were placed on probation October 29th of 2018 for aggravated robbery, a first-degree felony. Again, that was a 10-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Each of these motions allege that you violated your probation. Count one in each motion alleges that you committed the offense of burglary of a building March 22nd of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
No, not true.
Count two in each case alleges that you provided a urine sample March 18th of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamines and marijuana. And is that true or not true? True or not true?
True.
Count three in each of the cases alleges that you were at a location other than your residence at 11:15 p.m. March 22nd of 2025. And is that true or not true? I'm sorry?
Not true.
Okay. Count four in each case alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees, and it's just a little bit in each case, $29 in one and $37 in the other. Is that true or not true?
Yes, true.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each of the cases to counts 2 and 4 freely and voluntarily? The counts that you pled true to, 2 and 4, did you do that voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because those two are actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 2 and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true.
Now this is critical. She admitted to some violations, including drug use, but the judge is holding off on immediate punishment. Why? Because this next hearing could decide everything. So here's the question: do you think she's getting another chance, or is this just delaying the inevitable?
Insufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your cases for a hearing. The state on that date, if they want, can put on evidence with regard to any other allegations, and anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Kimler. He will present it to me on your behalf when we come back. I'll also get probation to do an updated report as well. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Your Honor, if I may, this is deferred. I think the court has set bonds in the cases. They're relatively high. I believe they're...
Do you want to file a motion for some, if I've already had a hearing with another attorney, I don't, unless there's some change of circumstances, we're not going to do that today for sure. But I would need some change of circumstance if I've already had a hearing.
When the reset is, can we get a speedy reset?
You're going to get the same reset on a motion that we get so that everybody can get prepared and so that that updated report can get taken care of.
I'll be out to see you.
Print.